Hello and welcome to this video of Python 3 programming. This is the first video of operator overloading. Why I say first video of operator overloading is because there will be many more videos of operator overloading. We are just starting with the operator overloading in this video. So as you can read for yourself that there are lots of functions. These are most common functions which you can write a function for which will overload the operator for your class. You can overload operator only for an object and it is a form of static polymorphism. So what benefits does operator overloading gives us? It brings elegance to what you call the programming, and it provides a nice shorthand of the operations you want to do. So for if you want to see more functions than this, then what you can do is you can look at, for example, int class. It has a lot more operators overloaded. So you can see that there is a huge list of operators which you can overload. And by that you can get simple shorthands for all those various operators which we deal with in our daily life. Or you can even look at float, that also overloads a lot of operators. Even list or dictionary, for example, will tell you that what operators they overload. So for example, I have written a class of time function here. So this class has three variables: hour, minute, and seconds. And for equality, we have, if the all the three components are equal, then we say it is true, and otherwise we say it is false. So this is our equality operator. By this function we overload the equality operator. And I have also overloaded the less than operator. So here first we compare the hours. If hour is less, then we return true. Else, if it is greater, then we return false. And in case of equal hours, we turn on to minutes. We compare the minutes, and then we turn on to seconds, and eventually we return false if all three are equal. So by virtue of this, you will see that we will be able to compare x to y and x to z, and then we can determine whether x is less than z, where x, y, z are three objects of class time. X being having hour value of 10, minute value of 20, and second value of 30. Y has the same attributes, while z has greater values in that. Z is 11 for hours, 22 for minute, and 33 for second. So if we run this program, what we get is, I will have to first activate the virtual environment. So now if you see this, then it turns true, false, and true. So x is equal to y, that is true. X is equal to z, that is false, and x is less than z. As you can see from our implementation, we get that. So the major benefit of operator overloading is that in case of, for example, generic programmings, it helps a lot when you do operator overloading, and it is a nice shorthand. Instead of writing x dot underscore underscore eq underscore underscore and then passing y as argument, it is much better to write x is equal to y. So it becomes quite natural for us to understand the meaning of operator rather than the function of that. For computers, they don't understand operators as such, so we have to implement that as a function. But what care you must take care of while implementing operators, that you must not change the meaning of the operator. For example, let's say we have underscore underscore init underscore underscore. It is a constructor function. If we use this for, say, for example, addition or subtraction, then the meaning is lost. For that you have add or subtract functions. Or for example, let's say bitwise or operator. If you do addition subtraction in that function, then it does not make sense. So The only care you should take while implementing the operator overloading is that you don't change the meaning of the operator which is involved there. That would be it for this video. In further videos, we will explore more of operator overloading. And if you have enjoyed this video useful and informative, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, as that motivates me for making more videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Happy programming.